So we're at the end of the job now. We've applied our 2 coats of sealer, our sand is hardening off nicely and the blocks are protected. Now the application of the sealer will help minimise maintenance, reduce the colour loss from ultraviolet light and basically protect the blocks from further wear. But if you're looking to get the maximum benefit from the work that's been carried out, then a little bit of routine maintenance now and again makes sense. With all forms of block paving, you've got the joints in the sand. Now you cannot basically fill these joints any further because of the beveled edge, but left unprotected, the muck will start to build up. So it makes sense just a couple of times a year just to take a broom and sweep your driveway clean. Don't let the muck build up in the joints, and occasionally just put a light kind of biocide over them just to stop any moss and algae beginning again to establish themselves in the joints. That's the best way to get the maximum protection from not only the elements but also potential weed growth as well.